How to fix ad post to your story missing on Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on search button on top right corner of your screen. Search for apps. Then click on apps and notification. In here, click on Instagram. Force stop the app. After you force stop the app, go to storage and cache. Clear cache and clear storage. After you do that, simply restart your device. Then open the app and log into your account. Your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix ad post to your story missing on Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.